Hello, in this problem we are going to see a problem of LeetCode.
A
Rotate
rotate
image.
image, which is a medium type problem. We have given the 2D matrix and we have to rotate this matrix by 90 degree clockwise. Uh, Take an example and taking an example, this same example and explaining what the problem is saying. So we have given a matrix of 3 by 3. Its element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this should be rotated clockwise by 90 degrees. So it should look like after rotation. After rotation, it should be look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we are doing here, uh, this this thing is representing the rows, and this is representing the columns. Okay, so we have the index 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. So this element is placed at 0 row and 0th column. So if we are rotating it by the 90 degree, so this will be placed at the 0th row and the second column. So how we are finding the index of the solution? And find the index of this element. So we are saying we are looking at the column of the given element, and we are representing as a row of the we have this column will become row, index of the row, index of the row of this element after rotating it by 90 degree, and this column will uh, represent this column will be changed into a column of this element after rotating. How 0 will convert it to? We are doing number of columns minus given. Let's say it is ij, so it will be I. So it will be j and number of columns minus I. Similarly, if we are taking 2, 2 is present at the 0th row and 1th column. So it will be changed into, this is I, this is j. It will be presented into 1 and number of row is 2 and I is 0. So it will represent 1, 2. Okay. Similarly, 3 will be 3 is presented at the 0th row and second column. So it will be placed at second row and 2 minus 0 second column. Okay. Similarly, if we are we look at the index of the 4, 4 is present at the 1th row and the 0th column. So it will be placed at the 0th column, 0th row, and 2 minus 1, that is 0, 1, 0th row and 1th column. Here it is. Okay. So we can take a matrix, empty matrix, and we can find the index of the resultant matrix by using this trick. So, but in this question it is saying that it is a we have to rotate the image in place. So in place means we do not have to use extra memory. So by using this concept, we have to use external and cross and space. So n square complexity will be used here. So this approach will not be work here. This approach will not work here. So we have to look into the another approach. So second approach is what we can do. Uh, let's say we have the same matrix we have the same matrix, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what we will do, we will transpose, we will take the transpose of this matrix. So in the transpose, row become column and column become rows. So after transpose, we are taking the transpose of this matrix. So transpose, row become column and column becomes rows. So 1 2 3 will be appear this, 4 5 6 will be appear like this, and 7 8 9. This is how we will take the transpose. And in the terms of the programming, how we can take the transpose without using the extra space? This is very simple. We will run a loop from here, from zeroth row, and we will what we will do, let's say this is I and this is j. So we will replace I cross j with uh, j I. So first of all, here it is an index of 0 0, so we will replace it with the 0 0. Now we will come to here, and this will be 0 comma 1. So it will be replaced by 1 0 by this element. So this element will be um, so in the first iteration of the loop, it will look like this. 2 and 4 will be action, 4 will come here and 2 will come here, and then 3 and 7 will be replaced. So 7 will come here and 3 will be 7 and 3 will come here. So, and in the second iteration we will then in the second iteration uh, we will here, first iteration we are 0 comma 0, and the second iteration, the second iteration we will be at 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 we will do the same thing. For 1 comma 1 will be replaced by 1 itself. Then we will come here and it will be 1 cross 1 comma 2, then it will be replaced by 2 comma 1, that is 8, and 6 will become here, 8 will become here. And so then we will do the third iteration, and we will be here, and we will be here, it will be 3 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 will be replaced by itself, and it will be okay. This is how we will take the transpose of the matrix without using the extra space. So we will find the transpose, then we are going to run for loop again. And in this for loop, what we are going to do, is we are swapping the element. We will come here, and 1 and 4 will be 1 and 4 will be replaced, and it will be 7 1. 4 will, and then we will come here, and 4 will be replaced, and 4 will here. Then we will come in the second iteration, we will replace 2 and 8. So 8 become here, 2 will become here, 5 is replaces itself, swap it itself. Then will come here, 3 will be here, 9 will come here. So 9 will come here, 3 will be 6. So this now this is the resultant matrix. Okay, this is the resultant matrix that we are required to find. Here is my solution. Um, I have taken the transpose here and doing the swap operation here. Okay, and then we do not have to return anything. It is simply we are changing the matrix itself. So it is my code, and we will run it. It has taken 0 millisecond, faster than 100%. So it is a very efficient approach of solving this problem. So yeah, thank you.